In the Primus homepage, starting from the New menu, create a new document. Decide whether to create a simple price list, or a construction cost management document, or a bill of quantities or cost estimate. In addition to the many cost items and measurement data, you also need to define the project's general data, categories and WBS structure too. With the SuperWizard Document Creation Assistant, you can create a new document by acquiring data from previously drafted documents. Choose the type of document to create by acquiring data from the model. Select the existing document and select the types of information that you would like to load into the new document. View the chosen data in Sequencer, and, if necessary, modify it during this phase. Click on Finish, and the new document is generated.